With even distribution, your table is spread evenly across all nodes. This is the default distribution style as it is the most balanced option between storage size and performance. Now you could simply choose even distribution for everything and performance would likely be pretty comparable to most other data warehouse products. Better in some aspects, around the same in others. Key distribution, on the other hand, allows you to specify a column on your table that determines how rows are split across nodes. This distribution style is the best choice when you have a known column used for common joins, such as the one that would occur between a fact table and its largest dimension. If both the fact and dimension table are distributed according to their primary and foreign key relationship, processing of these queries occurs much more efficiently across the nodes, because now matching values are located together, requiring less data movement between nodes and speeding those joins. And finally, all distribution. This indicates that you want each node to preemptively have a full copy of the table. As you can imagine, this could create a very large storage requirement, as well as creating a very large resource impact on all future inserts or updates to that table. This would systematically put a load on every node in the cluster with each new change to the table using an all distribution. All distribution then is best left for medium-sized tables that don't change often, or preferably at all, and are widely joined to many other tables. Large tables would be too expensive to store across every node, and small tables are easily replicated, so it's probably an unneeded step. This should make it clear to you why even is the default choice for Amazon Redshift when creating a new table. But choosing a good distribution key, something that only you can do because you're the one that understands your schema, this should really be your goal. Now, distribution style isn't the only contributing factor into why Amazon Redshift can be so fast. But before we go further on that, let's get some more work in on our new Redshift cluster and create a few of the key tables in our schema, using what we now know about distribution style.